Traditionally, agricultural engineers integrate their knowledge by combining the engineering and scientific principles to provide solutions in agricultural conflicts, considering its environmental hazards. Another biological integrated engineering principle is biological systems engineering, which applies concepts and principles of chemistry and biology in solving biological sciences problems. Combining these two principles, the evolution of agricultural and biosystems engineering comes forward. This engineering principle integrates mathematics, biological, physical, and engineering sciences in one single program with two different concentrations. The combination of the principles from both pre-existing engineering programs are applied in design, analysis, construction, and supervision of equipment, systems, and facilities for the efficient production, processing, and utilization of food, fiber, and biological or biochemical products. The different courses that agricultural and biosystems engineering take are about mathematics, chemistry, physics, statics, dynamics, thermodynamics, materials, engineering design, sensors and controls, soil and water conservation, bioprocess engineering, biological simulation and analysis, computer-aided design, and machinery design. Agricultural and biosystems engineers enhance productivity, efficiency, and performance of advanced machinery and manufacturing systems. They ensure sustainable developments of livestock and poultry industries and economic prosperity at state. They also improve quality of life for the rural communities and grain quality produced by farmers in the Philippines. They protect and conserve the soil and water resources of the Philippines and the world. The different divisions within agricultural and biosystems engineering are Land and Water Resources Division, Agricultural and Bioprocess Division, Agricultural Machinery Division, and Agro-Meteorology and Farm Structures Division. A graduate of ABE may qualify as Agricultural and Biosystems Engineer, Designer or Manufacturer of Agricultural Machinery, Irrigation or Drainage Engineer, Environmental and Water Resources Consultant, Bioprocessing Engineer, Green Marketing, Advertising or Designing Manager, Researcher, Extension Worker, Professor or Instructor, Designer or Manufacturer of Housing Systems for Plant and Animal Production, Project Manager, Project Consultant, Pre-Sales Engineer, Farm Manager, Municipal or Provincial Planner, and other emerging professions. The divisions of Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering provide facilities for expertise and for the development and extension of students' knowledge about the course. These include workshops to train the students, laboratories for testing and conducting experiments, and classrooms and lecture halls for lecturing of courses. Areas of emphasis include water quality and irrigation practices, accuracy of agricultural machinery, controlled environment agriculture, and energy. Each division also conducts experiments and researches about finding solutions to environmental problems. Land and Water Resources Division. Facility under this division includes Hydraulics and Soil and Water Conservation Laboratory. Researches focus on hydrology, irrigation, drainage, aquaculture, and water quality. Agro-Meteorology and Farm Structures Division. Facilities under this division include National Agro-Meteorological Station, Tropical Greenhouse, Geographic Information Systems or GIS Laboratory, Experimental Field, and Automatic Weather Stations. Researches in AFSD focus on weather and climate, structures and environment, GIS and remote sensing applications, and waste management and energy. Agricultural and Bioprocess Division. Facilities under this division include Grain Laboratory, Coconut Processing and Training Plant, and drying pilot plant. Researchers in this division focus on extending shelf life of fresh crops, processing biological materials into food and agricultural products, and processing biomass into alternative fuels. Here are some of the machines used by agricultural engineers in the Agricultural Bioprocess Division. Plant sifter, husk aspirator, under-runner disc huller, double action pre-cleaner, double dryer rice grater, paddy separator, Agricultural Machinery Division. Facilities in this division include machine shop, power and machine laboratory, and AMTEC, which means Agricultural Machinery Testing Evaluation Center. Some devices used are village-level ethanol production system, arrowroot rasper, single drum corn sheller, abacus stripper, cassava chipper, pagpag rice thresher, Jatropha dehusker, manual peanut sheller, AMD upland hand tractor, UPLB corn mill, modified Planet Junior Seeder, and shredder.